want to show you how to do a hard reset on the Fire Kids tablet. So for example, if you have PIN that you don't remember, so you've lost your PIN or you want to clear all your data, it's gonna erase all the data and everything, all the PIN, and you can start from new. So what you want to do is you want to turn off. So right here, I'm gonna press on the power button on the side right here. So this is the power button, and what we want to do is, as you can see right here, that's the power button. This is the volume down, volume up button. So you want to press on this, on the power button, and hold it. So like that. So when you press on that, it's gonna give you power off, restart, and screenshot. What you will do, you want to do hit turn off, it's gonna shut down. Okay, so once it's completely off, what you want to do is to do a hard reset. That means it's gonna remove all the pin code. If you forget your pin code, it's gonna do a hard reset. It's gonna clear all the data, erase everything on your tablet once you do this. So this is the volume up, volume down. What you want to do is you want to hold the power button at the same time as the volume down button, and once you see the Amazon logo, you want to release that. So are you ready? Let's do it together. So 1, 2, 3, let's press on the power button and volume down button at the same time, like this. Once you see this logo, just release both, and you're gonna go, it's gonna show on display right here, menu right here, reboot, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition. So what you want to do is you want to go to wipe data and factory reset, and to actually move the selection right here, so it's selected on reboot now. To move down, you want to use the volume up and volume down button right here. So that's to move up and down. So if you want to move down, just do, press volume down, and to move up, just press volume up, and it's gonna move up. So you want to select this, right, the wipe data factory reset, and to select that, if you're on there, you want to press on the power button. You press on that to select it, and it says wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So make sure that you want to do this, because it's gonna wipe all the data on your tablet right here. So in case you forget your PIN and so on, you cannot do anything. You cannot log in to your Fire tablet. This is the only way to reset it. So what you want to do, you want to use the volume up and down button again. So want to go down, volume down, and to select it, you use the power button to select it, and we're gonna hit on yes, and it's gonna wipe everything right here. On the bottom it says wiping data, formatting data, data wipe complete. So everything is complete now, and we're gonna have a menu again. So you want to go to reboot system now. You want to do anything else, so it's already selected, so you want to press on the power button again to select it. And once you do this, it's gonna reboot, and it's gonna take a little bit of time to reboot this, because to format everything and to install everything back. So depending on your tablet, it's gonna take some time. So right, it took me less than a minute to actually show this menu. So you have already wiped everything on your tablet now, so congratulations. So just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new tablet, and you'll have a brand new tablet. So that's how you set up a brand new Fire Kids tablet, by doing a factory reset. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you guys for watching.